everyone, James from the Fireplace Factory. I'm here with the Lazio suite. It is the hottest thing in home decor at the moment. It is hands down our best seller. I'm going to show you some of the features, answer some of your questions and show you exactly what you get with this stunning suite. The Lazio suite comes standard with centre spotlights in the mantle and also LED downlights on the base, which you can now upgrade to the brand new mood control remote. Each of the Lazio suites come with bespoke fireplace electric panoramic fire, shown here with the upgraded luxury logs for the most realistic looking electric fire on the market. But with over 10,000 feature combinations, you'll be sure to be able to find yourself a setting for all moods and all seasons. The fire also comes standard with the 3-year warranty, which now you can upgrade online and install to the 5-year warranty. The Lazio suite comes in 4 different sizes. Go on our website to check out all the different dimensions. Also go and check out the other designs, the Milano suite, the Verona, and also the Roma suite.